thing to understand is that the opposite of depression is connection. Depression is the ultimate form of disconnection. So one thing to note from the get-go is it's really helpful to think of either a mentor or a buddy that's going to support you in the following process. You want to ask yourself a couple questions. Well, what is it I'm really after? I call these the flourishing questions. What is it I'm really after? What kind of shifts do I want to see in my life? Allow yourself to write it out, journal it. What kind of changes do you want to make? Is it to be more active? Is it to get a new job? Is it to, be in a relationship? Is it to find more calm and ease and contentment in your life? And then you want to ask yourself the question, why do I want that? What am I going to get out of it? If I got this thing, this what in my life, this aspiration, what am I going to get out of it? Allow yourself to be really selfish. Our brain makes decisions based on reasons. It has reasons for everything, even reasons to be depressed. And so when you ask yourself why, you're going to give your brain the reasons to begin to move forward with something. Then we look at who is going to support me? Who's my buddy? Who's my mentor? I don't need to do this alone. And it's much better to do it with somebody else, whether it's a therapist or a coach, or it's a friend, or you're in a community. Wonderful. Make sure you have your team. Start to identify who your team is. And then finally, how? What are the skills I want to put into place? Is it to exercise more? And that's going to be supportive to me? Is it to start to create a writing practice? Is it to reach out to friends more often and feel more connected? So the what, why, and who will support the motivation for the how.